Understanding fluids, key characteristics, and their role in nature. What is a fluid? Pouring water into a glass, with animations showing liquids and gases. Fluids are substances that flow. But there's more to it. Key characteristics of fluids. Quick visuals paired with explanations. Flow, water streaming. Fluids can move and adapt to the shape of their container. Viscosity, honey dripping slowly. Viscosity measures how easily a fluid flows, like water versus honey. Density, oil floating on water. Density decides whether fluids sink or float. Compressibility, gas in a balloon being squeezed. Gases compress easily, liquids don't. Fluids in action. Waves crashing and steam rising. From oceans to clouds, fluids are everywhere. Like and subscribe for more cool science.